Good morning, everyone. This morning I am going to bring you along with me when I do shipping for the day and show you a little bit about my setup and tell you about the supplies that I use and what sold yesterday on eBay. So this is what my eBay and Poshmark home office looks like. I thought I'd take you on a little tour. That cute little guy right there, that is our son and daughter-in-law's dog, and he, Leo, was featured last Christmas in a Target campaign. His picture was on the end caps of Target displays over Christmas time, and I asked our Target if I could have his poster when they were done, and I was able to take it home. So that's what I look at every day. All my furniture is from IKEA. It works great for me. Those storage baskets down below, I'll show you what's inside those. Some of these pieces were from my mom's when I moved her into assisted living, and that little piece under my desk was her nightstand, so I was able to take a couple of her pieces home after she passed and added to them. I love that little shelf with all of the drawers. I'll show you what's inside there. The corner desk works perfectly for me with the two monitors. It's my little pile. Normally I don't have a pile that big, but the church rummage sales have been at a premium. So that's that. And that's a little panoramic tour of my office. I'm going to show you what's inside a couple of these baskets as well. In between these two IKEA pieces, I kind of tuck away my boards that I do photos on. Those are just from the dollar store, 2 white and 2 black foam core boards. And I just set them here and again sit on the floor when I'm photographing. But having a black and a white, black is really good for anything glass or anything white. My foam head, some of my cleaning supplies I kind of hide back there. And then I found that wrapping paper in the bins, and it's really pretty. I might frame a couple of them. I don't quite know what to do with them. So there they sit. In here is those bread bags that I'll pull out. I'm going to use them. These are from Walmart. I talked about them in one of my last videos. They are perfect to put things in before you ship them. These are a must-have for me. And then I had picked up some vintage linens, and for whatever reason they were stained or had a mark on them. So I keep all the pretty vintage linens that I find at the bins, and I use them to wipe things down and clean things off. And so this is kind of my utility bin here. And over here, I bought these 4 to complete the set from IKEA. And I'll show you what I tuck inside. This one has all of the jewelry that I have for sale. This one has any cosmetics that I have for sale. And I'm going to need to get in this one today because I sold these interesting, I don't know, I'm going to pull them out, but they're like air fresheners, and I've already sold some, and I found a huge amount of them at the Goodwill outlet. I have many more to list, but the Christmas ones sold. I'll pop in a screenshot of what these sold for and what the set, I'm wondering if it's the same buyer. I'm going to take a look of what the set sold for last time. They really were a good find, so I needed to tuck them away. So in they go. And the last one is just all the pieces that came out of putting all of this furniture together. I didn't know what to do with them. So the last bin has all of the pieces of the screws and nuts and bolts from this IKEA furniture. You can see the leaves are starting to turn here in Minnesota. So I'd recommend having a scale that you can plop down on the floor. This one for weighing packages for eBay, the piece that can come down and pop down on the floor has been really helpful because some of the things that I mail are too big to set up on the top of this piece up, but I love this piece of furniture. It holds all of my shipping supplies, labels, all of my poly mailers, all of my USPS free shipping supplies. Just so you know, anything that you need to use USPS, United States Postal Service supplies, you can get for free online. You don't have to pay for them, and they will ship them right to your home. So there are my USPS supplies and more. Make sure if you have a store that you take advantage of the free, you pay for it through your store subscription, but eBay gives you a store credit every quarter that you can use to buy shipping supplies. I always stock up on eBay branded tape, and I need to replace the roll. The other thing I get is eBay boxes. The one I like is this 8x6x4. I tape the bottom, tape the corners. Inside each of the 3 boxes that are ready to go for what's sold, I put in paper, packing paper that I get at Lowe's, and I need to go run and get some more of that. And I will show you now how I'm going to wrap up that crystal perfume decanter that I bought and showed in a video from about a week ago. It sold, church rummage sale, fill a bag, and I'll show you what this sold for. I'll pop in a screenshot, and also I'll show you what I do and how I wrap it. So I separated the stopper from the perfume bottle, and normally I roll three ways one way and 3 ways another, and that's what I've got this bubble wrap set up for. I get it in a really large quantity online from American Bubble Boy. I'll leave a link to that below. And this is just the stopper by itself, and because I use so much bubble wrap, I did not wrap this 3 ways both times, but pinch those corners and make sure it's secure. And then with the bottle itself, that's where I fold it over, so I've got double thickness, and I'll roll it 3 ways one way, and then do it the same, fold it over 3 ways the other way, and I'll show you what it looks like when I get done. All done. And here's what this one looks like. I'm not afraid of using a lot of tape. I'm not afraid of using a lot of bubble wrap. It is tucked in. So in that little eBay box it goes. And then using that packing paper from Lowe's, it's all tucked in and ready to go. The other couple things that sold were these Pokemon movies that were my kids. Pop in a screenshot of what those sold for. So package those up in those Walmart bread bags and in the box with the packing paper. So in this case, I'm using an Amazon, reusing an Amazon box. You don't have to use, for eBay, you don't have to use eBay shipping supplies. You can use plain boxes. My neighbors and friends save me boxes. You can reuse Amazon boxes of things that were delivered to you, or you can use branded eBay shipping supplies. Here is my storage closet, which is in the bedroom next door to my office, where I keep my boxes, some of which were donated, I'll find on my front step from neighbors and friends, and others from USPS that they ship to my house for free. I think one of the more intimidating parts about selling on eBay is having the boxes, having the room, having the supplies, because you don't know what's going to sell. And you don't know, if you offer 1-day shipping, you don't know what type of box you'll need the next day. The nice part about shipping on Poshmark is you can use, these are all USPS boxes, the white ones. You can use any type of box, any type of mailer, any type of envelope. It doesn't matter. Buyer pays one price of shipping. I believe it's $7.97. And you can stick it in any type of box you want. With eBay, smaller the box, the better. The lighter the box, the better. So I think people get intimidated buy that. But I started on eBay, so shipping on Poshmark has been a dream. But don't be scared. It's okay. There's so many people who do videos on shipping, and it's not that hard. And if you make a mistake, that's okay. You'll learn from that mistake. So this is my closet of boxes that I have, and where I keep some of my shipping supplies, right next to my office. All done with shipping. I keep these Lululemon reusable little shopping bag totes hanging in a closet, and use those to bring my packages to the post office. So we are headed out now and spending the rest of our morning walking some really cute dogs. That's the other thing that my husband and I do in retirement, is that we are dog walkers through the Rover app. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.